Ladies and gentlemen, introducing my selection, my pick for RC of the Year 2024. The Team Corelli Synchro 4. Woohoo! Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, so for this year I decided to go ahead and throw my hat in the ring for a selection of RC car of the year. Now this is just based on cars that I have purchased and own. I know there might be others out there that I haven't touched. There's even some that are coming out but don't quite have them yet, but I chose the Synchro 4. Now it wasn't an easy decision, to be honest, but it really, I boiled it down to, I was thinking between this and the Red Cat Valkyrie, because both cars are a tremendous value for what you get. My only problem I've had with the Valkyrie is the constant overheating issues. So that just kind of really put me off for selecting that one. This car, I believe right now is, let's double check here real quick. Sorry, I'm trying to get myself positioned, but yeah, right now at $379. You might even consider the Kagama 4. The main reason I didn't pick it as RC of the Year, it's a bit more money. I do think you get, you know, I think it's worth the money for what you get for the price. But hands down, the Synchro 4 is just proven itself, to me at least, to be a pretty solid car. I haven't broken anything on this car. I did find it a little lackluster out of the box, so I went from the factory 13 tooth pinion to, what was it? Maybe it was, I think I'm running to 17. I think I go up to 19. There's 3 positions in the motor mount. Actually, I think it's 15, 17, 19. So I had the middle, which I believe is a 17, and that really woke this thing up and didn't cause any heat issues. Now everything did run hot as it was, so I did put a fan on the motor, but other than that, a fan on the motor and the pinion, man, we have been good. I mean, you're talking a 4S brushless buggy. It just, you know, when they introduced this thing and at that price, people were just blown away. And you got to look, Traxxas releases the Jado at around the same price, $350, and it's a 2S brushless system. I mean, it's not a bad buggy at all, but it's not a 4S. So yeah, this thing's fully loaded for that price. You got a center diff. You got right there, metal chassis. They did, in order to save money, use composites for like the shocks, the shock towers, some of the bracing and all that, but you know, where it counts, like the chassis, some of the like right there as it was driving away, you could see some of the metal bracing there back behind the wing right here. Right there, we got some metal. They put the metal where it counts, and I mean, so far it's been a great buggy. I said, maybe if buggies aren't your things, the Kagama 4's out. I have a review video on it as well, but for me, just the RC of the year has got to be the Synchro 4. Hands down. Corrali just killed it, man. It's just the best bang for your buck out there, and it's been a solid car. You know, it's easy to forget these cars that came out earlier in the year because all the new stuff that's recently come out, but I went back and looked, and I believe I purchased about 30 cars this year. Don't tell the wife. So I went through my reviews for the year and started looking at the cars, and just just gotta say that to me, hands down, I'm not gonna say it's like the best RC. I'm not gonna say it's like my favorite. That's me, you know, everybody's. But if you're looking for 4S power and you want something that's built pretty durable, man, it's just really hard to find anything that's gonna come close and beat this. Because even when Traxxas ever does get the 4S Jado out, it's gonna be considerably more money. It's about like a $450 car. This thing's already out and it's 4S. I know I've heard some things about parts availability because they are a Belgian company, but there are hobby shops that stock it. They might not be local. Our friend Tyson at Garage, well, the battery died. But like I was saying, our friend Tyson at Garage Life RC is a Team Corrali dealer. He has parts and he has cars, and where he's at, he doesn't have to charge you sales tax, so you really get to save a good bit. And if you're a veteran, he offers a veteran discount too. Really cool guy. Go check him out. I've also found a couple other hobby shops that are kind of local to me, have the parts. So, I mean, but to be fair, for me personally, I don't have a hobby shop that's super close. They're not terrible if I need something right away, but it's better than, let's just say, like Rollarlo, where I'm gonna have to wait 2+ weeks for something to come in. That just, that gets aggravating. I can usually have parts here in a couple of days, so it's not terrible. So don't let that deter you, unless you're someone that gotta have the car back like the next day. That might be an issue for you, but hey, sometimes you go to your local hobby store and they don't have everything you want anyhow. But yeah, sorry guys, I was too lazy to walk all the way around. I had to walk way down there, turn around so the sun is at my back, and I had to walk to the car. So, and that's like walking down. So I was gonna be out here in the shade. It's a little cool, but yeah, man. Synchro 4 L to the W's RC of the year. Because to me, it just offers the best value that you can get, and it's just proven itself to be a rock solid RC. Like I said, you can also get the Kagama for a little bit more money if you want more of that monster truck flavor, but I think Team Corrali is the winner for 2024. I mean, you're welcome to disagree with me. You know, we all have our different things that we like, dislike, whatever, but you know, this is my opinion. This is what I choose for a car of the year. Because like I said, I think for my viewers, it just offers the best value for the money, and it's a good, solid RC. It's fast, it's powerful. Like I said, if you buy one, I just recommend doing the pinion gear up at 1, and then your power is going to be right there. And get a fan. They're all down in my Amazon store. But the Synchro 4, Team Corrali, good job. Got you some discount codes down below if you're interested. If you shop Amazon, go through my store. That helps me out. And you know the deal, guys. I pay for these cars. They're not given to me, so those affiliate links really help me bring this stuff to you. Everyone, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.